Hello people, good day. Today I just want to analyze this song for you called Chitubu by Alec Macheso. As you all know, Alec Macheso is one of the biggest names in Zimbabwean music industry, and the song Chitubu is one of my favorite from Baba Sharo. Title itself, Chitubu, it's a spring of waters. As you know in geography terminology, a spring is that point where the water flows from an aquifer to the surface of the earth. In this song, Macheso is using these word pictures to encourage people to use their God-given gift of creativity. When he says Mazano Chitubu, Mazano Chitubu, what you're saying is your brain, this is where all your ideas are churned from, and your brain can churn as many ideas as you allow it to without any restriction. So it's up to you to use your brain to the greatest extent possible. He further pushes on the same narrative that even power and strength are supplied from an unending source when he says Simba Mukaka. The powerful analogy here is to encourage hard work as that pushes the boundary as you go from strength to strength. The singer is deep in thought and is in a philosophical mood when he says, yes, we know that the rule of the jungle is that survival of the fittest, but God gave us a brain, strength, wisdom, that this shouldn't be the case. It is not right to build your wealth and happiness at the expense of another human being. We see these deep nuggets when the singer says, tinozviziva kakara kunona hudya kamwe asi hazvina kunaka hama dzangu. There is also a warning here that you must enjoy the works of your own hands rather than stealing or enjoying the good life at the expense of the greater populace. Public offers, for example, should be sacred and not abused, as you can invite bad omen upon yourself, as this is highlighted when he says idya chako wega cheziya kwete chero zhinji ngozi yawapara. He also warns about some things that are done in the cover of darkness, but one day they will be seen in the light. Be a person of integrity always, and don't be friends with darkness temporary cover. Kana kaguta kanozobuda pachena voruzhinji voziva hama dzangu woye takashandiswa. So this is a great song from Baba Sharo. Show some love for Baba Sharo. Talk to you later.
Utotora mukana wekushandira zvako zvisina popoto. Kana kakuta kanozobuda pachena veruzhinji voziva hama dzangu takashandiswa. Kana nguva iripo utotora mukana wekushandira zvako zvisina popoto.